Okay, Vivian, I think if I remember correctly, you said 7, 11, and 13. So hopefully I'm remembering that right. Left my phone upstairs. So number 7, it says say use technology, so we can jump to StatCrunch. Let's see if that'll cooperate with me. It never does on the first try, so I'll do it again. There we go. Okay. So what we have here, we don't have the actual data. We have the statistics, right? So I still go to Stat. Okay. And what I'm interested in here, remember, is variance stats, right? And it's a one sample deal. So we have summary, not the data. So the sample variance they gave to me, right? So use technology, construct confidence intervals for population variance and the population standard deviation. Okay. Actually they gave S equals 32. So my sample variance is going to be 32 squared. Let's see if I can grab a calculator real quick. Thought they would make this easy for me and give me the 1024. Okay, just double check that that's right. Yeah. So usually a lot of times they give me the sample variance. They give me the sample standard deviation. So maybe that's the issue we were having. Sample size is 18, and we're doing a confidence interval. Okay, so we want 90% confidence, so we'll change that to 90. Okay, let's compute. So for variance, let's make sure we're clear on what they're asking for. It could just be a matter of, so yeah, variance is the first thing they're asking for. So they give us that. That is 631.019. So the two decimal places 631.02. Up to 2007.44. So let's see if that dog will hunt. Yeah, we're good there. So for standard deviation, all we want to do is just take the square root of each of those. Let's see if I can do my calculator again. So I want to take 631.02 and I want to square root that. So 25.12. And then we're going to take that upper limit, 2007.44. And we'll square root that as well. Oh, I squared it. .8. We're okay on both of those. Okay, so I think we said 7, 11, and 13. So let's jump to 11. What that looks like. Okay, so I want 95% confidence interval variance and standard deviation as well. So the 32 inches, that's not a number I need. There's 14, that's my sample size. And then they give me the sample standard deviation 395. So this is going to be really the same as the last one. We are dealing with one sample. And we have the summary statistics, not the data again. They didn't give me sample variance, right? Making my life difficult. They gave me sample standard deviation 3.95, so we've got to take 3.95 and square it. So 15.60. Sample size was 14. Let me double check before I mess this up. Yep, 14 of them. And we want 95%. So I get 8.2 to 2 decimal places. So remember, they give you the variance first, and then you get the standard deviation second by taking the square root. So you kind of have to, it's kind of a fundamental relationship. We have to have memorized it. Standard deviation is square root of variance. So then I get 40.49. Let's see if that dog will hunt. Yep. And then what I do there is just take the square root of those if I wanted. So with 95% confidence, we can say that the population variance is between 8.2 and 40.49. I don't know why they needed me to retype that. Yeah, that's just an interpretation of a confidence interval. Alright, so for standard deviation, what am I doing? I got to take the square root of each of those. So take 8.2 and square root it. 2.86. Next one, 40.49. Square root that. $6.36. And same thing, we're going to have to we can say that it's between those two values. That's what 95% confidence means. Just really restating it. Let me just take a peek at 13. See if this one's worth running through. You did say you had figured this out, so same deal again. I think you're going to be okay with this. Construct 99% confidence intervals for variance and standard deviation. Same deal. Just make sure you change the confidence to 99%. So let me know if that was helpful to you. Hopefully it was. If not, I'll come back with a video for 13 if you need it.